Started recording, Guruji.
Yeah. So this is about online publishing. I'll tell you certain advantages. See, this comes from my experience of publishing a book earlier. So there are three ways of publishing: traditional printing, traditional publishers, online self-publishing. The initial cost of online publishing is zero. Printing and traditional publishing is high. So can any author do? I mean, can anybody do a publishing a book? Printing, yes, we can do. Traditional publishers, only popular authors they'll go. They'll not get you opportunity for everybody. Online publishing, yes, we can do. Anybody can do. So time to market is very slow in case of printing. Traditional publishing is slow. Online self-publishing is fast. Within 7 days, we can get the book to the market. Is there a minimum quantity? Typically in traditional booking, 1,000 plus is required. Here, online publishing is nil. Multiple languages is difficult here. It's very simple in online publishing. Reach, in case of printing, we only have to go and sell. In case of traditional publishing, local distribution. In case of online, we can distribute to 150 plus countries in the model of Amazon and Flipkart. Each book requires a number called ISBN number, a special number. Printing, we can't get it. Traditional publishers, we can get with a price. Online publishings, we can get it at zero cost. Inventory, if we print a book, we have an inventory to take care. 1,000 books, we have to keep it in the house and try to sell it. So publisher, in case of a publisher, he will do that, take care of that. In case of online publishing, is zero inventory. Hello. Zero inventory. So the price of the book is lower in case of printing, medium in traditional, a bit high in the online publishing. Royalty for the author is not there in printing. Traditional publishing not guaranteed. Online publishing, on sale of every book, you will get a royalty straight away. Very transparent.
Guruji, in printing, we have, you said minimum quantity 1,000. We have digital printing also in printing.
Yeah, but
where we used to get 20 books also, if you remember.
But that will be higher cost.
Yeah, cost is slightly higher. But then minimum quantity can be up. They say minimum is like 4 to 5 books.
Yeah, but what will happen is the problem for is that for us to distribute.
Yeah, true.
Right. That is a challenge for us. And that the making of binding and all, there are a lot of challenge issues involved in that. Here it's a straight away proper book will be coming out. So now I narrowed down to one notionpress.com, which is actually a #1 online publishing house. It's very simple. You have to enter your name, email ID, password, then you are ready to publish the book. I request those who want to publish the book, Vijay ji or Purnima ji or Satyavati ji, just create one account in your email ID. We'll have one account in the Lighter Self Foundation email ID. All experimentation do in your private email ID and then bring it to Lighter Self Foundation. Don't do experimentation in the Lighter Self Foundation. So individually, you can with your email, you can do experimentation.
Sure.
Right? Create an account and do. You can do no harm, no problems at all in experimentation.
Yeah.
So there are 4 steps for publishing a book. So prepare a manuscript. Now the prepare a manuscript, typically we do it in Google Documents or MS Word. Only thing is here, right now whatever we've done, we will continue. But there will be some how to make a good book, some guidelines are there. Some steps are there.
Yeah.
How should we header? Where should we sidelining? All those things, guidelines are there. That guidelines is available.
Yeah.
We can incorporate the guidelines.
Yeah.
Okay. So then generate a PDF. So this is the simplest way. So book is coming into PDF. Your image also will come there.
Sure.
But this is not a color printing, black and white. The image requires high resolution. Otherwise, the printing will not be good quality. That will point out when the image is not high resolution also. Okay. Only cover page is color.
Oh, rest is
black and white. Rest also we can make color, but the cost will be higher. Okay. So generate a PDF using a proper MS Word. Here, if you don't do the MS Word setting properly, the book will not accept it. MS Word, what are the settings required is also given. You do the setting, it will over.
Sure.
So prepare the font, front cover and back cover. This is a custom design. Okay. Then publish the book straight away. There are 4 steps. Okay. Now he gives a checklist for a standard template. What are things? What we should do in a publishing book? Very simple checklist. You can use Google Doc or MS Word or online editor for making a book. If your online editor is used, Tunga font is used for Kannada. I suggest we go with the Google, Google document or MS Word straight away. We don't go into online editor. For us, the best, simplest thing is make a PDF and publish it straight away. There's no headache.
Guruji,
Yes.
I searched for this Tunga font for Kannada in Google document, Guruji. I could not find that.
You don't need it. That's what I'm trying to say. Whatever font you are using,
Arial.
whatever you are using, okay? So that font we can convert into MS Word document, then finally save as PDF. Are you clear? Satyavati?
Yes, Guruji.
See, basically you have to bring it to MS Word. Without bringing it to MS Word, we cannot generate the PDF finally.
No, Guruji, go from Google Doc
No,
also
no.
you can make it PDF.
No. He gives certain settings for MS Word.
Okay.
That settings we cannot do in Google Documents. Or we may be able to do it also, but MS Word gives a proper setting. Okay. Is that clear? There are 4 steps. Prepare a manuscript, generate a PDF, prepare the front cover and back cover, publish the book. 4 steps. I'll take you step by step. So then for my request is create a personal account with your email ID for experimentation. You do whatever experiment you want to do. Once you are ready, go to the Lighter Self account, publish it through Lighter Self Foundation after experiment. So he tells you how to calculate the price also, price of the book also. Then add whatever 25 rupees, 30 rupees you want to add to Lighter Self Foundation. That will come to Lighter Self Foundation for a what you call royalty. So that money which comes from Lighter Self Foundation royalty, we can use for Lighter Self practitioner. I'll be very happy one day if we are able to run the Lighter Self Foundation with only royalty from books. Because then what it means is that whatever Gnana Yajna we are doing, that Gnana Yajna itself is taking care of the activity. I don't want to take any money from somebody. If the Lighter Self Foundation books itself can give the money for Lighter Self Foundation, then it will be perpetuated. That's the idea. Is that clear to all? So now I'll show you some more things. So he gives 2. There are 2 checklists. So he tells us how to make a good book. What should a good book contain? What is he gives a format. Okay. So this is more of a guideline. Even if you don't do it, it doesn't matter. But if you do it, the book will come neatly. That's what he says. Whatever text is there, you fit into this format, do it in this way. Okay. Chapter name, where should come, like that, diagrams, how should put. It shows, even if you don't do, you have a PDF document, you can convert into a book. But to make a neat book, how should be a good book should be there. He gives some guideline. This is called a template. Okay. Right. This is one document which is a template.
And we can print as books in various sizes, no?
Let us standard is one size. Because standard is only A5.
Oh, okay. Because all the Gita books, some want.
I will come to that. Right. So the moment you go to non-standard, a lot of work will happen.
Okay.
We'll have to depend on somebody. Go to standard.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Let us not go to non-standard.
Sure.
Okay. So is this clear? He gives one guideline.
Yeah.
Basically, there's nothing in the guideline. Where should be heading? How should be table of content? Where should be this thing? Right. That's the guideline. Okay. Then
Guruji, that justified, were you able to see, Guruji, Kannada, where we used to get lot
I'm
of
not
gaps?
touched it. I'll come back to that. Okay.
Okay.
Why I didn't do that? Because we have to do one round of justification.
Okay.
With the MS Word document.
Yeah.
Right now, we don't worry about it. Once you port it to MS Word, we'll do one round of final touch.
MS Word, or maybe when we convert to PDF also, it may change.
No. PDF will not change. Once you do MS Word, PDF will be same.
Same, huh? Okay.
Ah.
The gap, nothing will happen.
All the formatting work we'll do in MS Word.
Okay.
Are we clear?
One experiment we can do.
No, MS Word will do it, no problem. Right? So next he gives, this is important, okay? MS Word setting we have to do properly. If you don't do MS Word setting properly, then PDF will not be proper. Okay, he gives the MS Word setting. He doesn't give Google document setting. That's why I want to rely on the MS Word. I'll show you. Okay. So this is the setting which you have to do MS Word. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
So if in the in the page layout, these are the 5 settings you have to do. If you don't do it, the book will not come properly.
Okay.
The book size I have chosen is 5:8, which is A5.
This is in centimeters.
Yeah. All those things are centimeter. Okay. It is actually exactly what Microsoft Word will do.
Sure.
So once you do it, the book will come properly.
Yeah.
So top margin, bottom margin, layout he gives. So this is, once you do it, the book is straight away portable into straight away publishable. MS Word setting you do. If you don't do MS Word setting, it will give error. Are we clear?
Yeah.
So then I'll go to step by step on publishing. I'll show you how to publish a book. So if this much is the background ready, are we clear? Anybody has any questions?
My internet got disconnected. Who is telling all? Where are you getting these references from?
I have that.
Okay.
It's there in notionpress.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll go to next step now. I'll show you step by step how to make a book. So once you say notionpress, www.notionpress.com, you will come to this page. Okay.
Could you just share with all of them?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Where is the notionpress?
You open it in please come down to vision. There.
Yeah. So www.notionpress.com, once you press, you will come to this website. Okay, it is India's number one publishing house. Very less headache. It is a very good publication. So you can log in. Okay, I'll say start publishing. Then ask me username and password. Right? Name you give, email you give, password. Create a personal account, and then we'll have created Light of Self Foundation account, which Gayatri you will create. So once you do that, I have already created. So this is go straight away login. Is it clear to everybody? Any questions are there? Okay. Then it will straight away tell me, take me to page, my own personal page. It will give me daily reports. How much books are sold, how much money is coming, all those things. So this will be created for Light of Self Foundation. This is my personal account, but Light of Self Foundation will create it. Now, if you have any, if you want to get a small video, this thing, you can go through a video how to do a publishing. But I don't need. I'll show you already. If you have doubts, you can go there. Okay, now I'll go to publish a new book to take you step by step. There's a publish a new book step is there, button is there. I'll go to publish new book. Okay, you can go through. There are 2 ways of publishing. One is you can pay some money to them and publish, which they'll give you the expertise. But we have already enough expertise. We don't want to do that. So this is about 10,000 to 35,000 rupees you can pay. Whereas here we want to publish myself. If you have a PDF, you can publish straight away. Okay. So this book can be published in 30 minutes. I was able to publish Bhagavad Gita book in 30 minutes. Then online tools will help you to correct it. Then distribution you can do in Amazon and Flipkart in India. Okay. and profit or royalty will pay into our account. So if you want to distribute in other 150 countries, you pay another 5,000 to 6,000 rupees more. Then you can distribute in other countries also. So I've selected this. Okay. Then he's asked which language you want to do. I'll say I'll do in English. Okay. Then continue publishing. I'm taking one step by step through one publishing. Okay. Here, I want to publish my book on my own for free. I don't want their help. Select it. Then continue publishing. Which book? Now is asking about book, English book. Okay. Then I'll say title of the book. I'll say Bhagavad Gita. Okay. I'll say subtitle selected 128, 126 verses. This subtitle. Author's name, Light Herself Foundation. If there is a Prabhuji book, you can say do. Some general books, we can always say Light Herself Foundation. Now, I'll say there can be, we can different types of multiple people can add, but we'll just say take one co-author. Okay. Choose your category. Here I'll say there are many categories, but here we'll go to others category. You can go to non-fiction also. So save and continue. Basically, we told something about the book. Okay. He says book name already exists. I already given the book name. Okay. I'll say Bhagavad Gita new. Now he's asking book sizes. So let us always go for a standard size. The moment you go to non-standard size, a lot of work is involved. So 5 by 8 is the standard size. Okay, it says what is recommended, right? For fiction, poetry, non-fiction books, this is the book. For we want to create children's stories, there will be larger one, 8.5.
8.5 is A4 size.
Recommended for coffee table books, children books.
Oh, that is even bigger.
Yeah, bigger. So we are going for 5.58. Yeah. So he says which book is for what. Now we can go for paperback. Okay. Then black and white. Color is for children's book and expensive. Okay. So then cream paper recommended for fiction and non-fiction books. Okay. This is more higher qualities. We'll go for this one. So gloss finish, matte finish is there. Okay. See, gloss finish or matte finish depends on if I use a cover page darker color, gloss finish is good. If you use a lighter color, matte finish is good. We'll go for a gloss finish. Okay. Then I'll use a cover studio creator. I'll create a cover page. Okay. So now the cover page
using their
launch cover page. There are 5 varieties are there. A plain color page, cover page, or these 4 varieties are there. Okay. So now picture is what we have to get it ourselves. Picture requires very specific pixel number and all. And copyright free. So that we have to get it done through Varunji. I've already talked to Varunji. Or we can decide no, our books will be all plain. Also is okay. Let us maintain a standard. So if it's all plains or all books will be looking like this. Or if each of them require a cover page, we can ask Varunji. He can give one of these. He can give a design. Already I've talked to Varunji.
Sure.
Okay. So you choose a color. Now I am choosing, let's say this is the book format, cover page. Okay. So then I have to have an image, Bhagavad Gita image. I don't have a Bhagavad Gita image, right? Search for an image. He gives some images himself. Okay. But there's not right, good image is not there for Bhagavad Gita. But still, for the purpose of our, are you able to see people? Everybody is able to see, no?
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So I'll say Krishna. Krishna is the image I'm looking for. Now this Krishna image is not good for our cover page, but still I'll use it. Okay. So this use this image.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the image? Krishna.
Use this image. You have to click on that, use this image.
Use this image. So it will come like this. Where is the image used? Okay. So it asking for clipping. I'll say like this. Okay. Okay.
Wait. Let's click on the wait.
Crop your image ಮೇಲೆ click ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ನೋಡಿ?
What is saying is processing. Processing.
Okay.
Processing. Okay, I'll just say I'll exit, or I can wait for some more time. Wait, what happened?
You click on exit. We can do
Launch cover page. Okay. In progress.
Yeah, it says in progress. If you click it, should ideally come up.
Okay, I'll use one existing image so that I don't have to crop. Okay, so this is how it will come. Now he'll give a where you have to put a title and all. You click here, you can change the title. Okay. So Varunji said he wants to do title himself. He doesn't want their title because he wants to position it properly and all. Okay. So once you do that, the book is ready. Front ladies. Okay. Add title, add subtitle. Okay. Add title. I'll say Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Preview and finish. I'm going. I'll finish it. Yeah. So the back cover also you can design like that. Yeah. So this is how book looks like now. Okay. Save and continue. So already it says cover page completed. Okay. So now next it goes interior design, all the content. Right? Don't use interior formatting tool because then you have to enter every text. Yeah. Upload PDF file. Okay. Already PDF file I have. Upload interior PDF file. Okay. So I am taking what we call as light of cell. Motionless. So I'll say PDF file I'm taking. Bhagavad Gita. Are you able to see? I'm choosing a PDF file. Are you able to see? Anybody? Everybody? Gayatri?
Yes, Prabhuji, we are able to see.
The graphics PDF file I'm choosing. So once you, then it'll process the PDF file. Done. If your PDF file is fine, book is ready.
Because you have gone through this many times, so the PDF is formatted correctly.
No, I have given you erroneous PDF for you people to show, understand, right? So the book is ready like this. Are you able to see? Now, he says there's an error here. I'm just purposefully chosen one with the error. Okay. error is page number 112. Okay. So page number 112, the page is blank. Vijayji has left a page blank. He says the blank page is not okay for me for publishing. So I have to go to remove the page. Correct. So the page number 114, there is some. If you remove 112, a lot of other error will get clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one example of errors. So once you fix this, once you fix first error, everything will be okay. So why 112? Because 112 page is blank. He says blank page is not okay. Remove the blank page, it will work.
Yeah.
Only 112, there is an error.
Guruji, it says graphic element overlaps on page save. It's
No,
not
no.
saying
What
exactly
for
as.
him, he does not know. He doesn't. He says only he uses only one error. Graphic element overlaps. If you go to the page,
Click on page 152.
No. See this. All these things are subsequent to 112. If you correct 112, a lot of other things will get corrected. I'll show you. I'll show you another one. Okay? Because here already I had corrected.
You already done the exercise.
I've already done the exercise. Okay. So Gayatri, I'll remove this. I'll go back. Okay. I'll show you one more file where I have done more blunders. This is simpler, right? Okay. I'll show you. Let's say earlier version. I have done so many 12, 14 version I have done. Earlier version, V1 version 1, I had a lot of problems. Okay, let me take this one.
All learning versions.
All learning versions. 12 versions.
No, Guruji, this used to be the problem. That's why you remember we had 30 versions for Flowering of Bliss book.
Okay.
Because every time they do the formatting, something used to get messed up.
No, here you have to correct it only one place, it will get corrected everywhere. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, now I've taken one version. Okay, graphic element overlaps on the page. Let us take this one. Okay, so page 18, there's a problem, right? So I'll go to this book which I was chosen. What is it? Page 18. If I go, right, page 18 is blank, Gayatri. Can you see? Are you able to see?
Yeah. See, when we do this 5x8 formatting on MS Word, what happens is while formatting the entire book, it starts creating some empty pages. And some of the pages will be hidden also, which will not be seen in the general overlay.
All those things will be given as a simple error. For me, it took
that's what he just shows it as an error, but we have to go back to the MS Word and correct it.
Yeah, now I'm going to MS Word, right? So this is the page. I'm going to MS Word now. MS Word.
You already have it open button.
No, it's yeah. I have to go to notionpress. Okay, let us take Bhagavad Gita. This is I don't know which version I've chosen. Okay, let me choose. Sorry. No. I will choose. I'll choose a older version because I've done so much of corrections. I don't know which one. Okay, this one I'm choosing. Okay, this is has some errors so that I can show you errors and how to correct it. So this is what Vijayji had given to me. Okay, I'll save it a copy as experiment copy. Experiment. Are you able to see this? What I'm doing, Gayatri? Word document opening and closing.
Yes, Prabhuji.
No, Guruji, we are in the PDF in notionpress page only.
Oh, okay, I think.
You may want to share the whole desktop, Guruji.
If I share the desktop, how do I share the desktop?
Go to share, Guruji. In the Zoom, please go to share.
The first blue color one, you have to just share that one. The first option in share screen.
What is the first?
Yeah, so
The blue color one.
Okay, I'll share the blue. Okay, now it's okay. Can you see?
Now they will see.
Yeah.
I have opened a Word document. The Word document I have called it as experiment. Are we clear? You're able to see?
Yeah.
So this Word document called experiment, I want to publish, to show some errors how can come. Oh, sorry, I should not stop sharing. Okay.
Guruji.
Huh?
Screen.
This one,
Click
huh?
on the screen, Guruji.
Here,
Yeah.
okay. So now I am going to WordPress. Are you able to see the WordPress now?
Yeah, notionpress. Yeah.
It's notionpress, Guruji.
notionpress, right?
Yeah.
So notionpress, I am uploading a new file. That new file with the errors, so that I can show you errors. Oh, that Word document I had to make a PDF.
PDF.
File, save a copy, PDF. Taking so long, okay. It's saved. So now I'm going to notionpress.
Look to that experiment there. Yeah.
No, I have to Notion experiment. So experiment file I'm uploading because I want to show you some errors. So it gives this error now. Okay, now here this is one error it gives. You can see looks like the book size uploaded does not match the selected size. The selected size is 5 by 8 and upload size is 5.82. So this is actually where I got confused. What exactly is the problem? So now this is because in the Word, MS Word, I have not done the setting. MS Word, if I do the proper setting, so the MS Word setting, if I do, okay, so MS Word, he gives the setting. Okay, this setting, if I do, that error vanished. Okay, before I make a PDF, I should do this setting. Understand? Is it clear to everybody?
Yeah.
Everybody is able to see?
Yes, Guruji.
So if you don't do this MS Word setting, that particular error will come. For me, it took about half an hour to find out this problem. The rest of the problems were very simple. Clear?
Yeah, because this is a margin error.
So this margin error, I didn't know why I was set at 5.8. Why again still is saying this margin error is what I have to correct in MS Word.
Okay.
Once I do it, this is over. So then what I did, this error I corrected. So then this particular problem comes. Where is that graphics element overlaps? He says everywhere in graphic element page 1, there is a problem. Okay. So without clearing this error, I can't go to this error. So I'll go to another version, so that this error is simply cleared by changing the graphic setting, MS Word. Then I'll go to another file. Okay, here Bhagavad Gita, let us take version 9 from somewhere, where I done some more.
12 is the ready to print version.
Well, it's already finished.
Okay.
Pricing is ready.
Oh, okay.
So that error, if that page size error I have corrected. So now here says this error is there. I'll go and check this error. What is this error? Page 142. If I go to page 142, okay, he has gone to 140.
Yeah, he's on 142.
142.
Yeah.
So he says there is a error here. Okay, this is version what 9? Huh?
9.
So now I'll go to version 9 of Word document. Open. Version 9 is here. Word document. Version 9 Word document. Oh, he's. I have to open.
He's in some other folder.
He's in this folder only.
Maybe you can start by the type. There, the type, yeah. Then, 7.
I think I would have overwritten or something. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we can take 7 and.
Version 7 I'll take.
Hmm.
Okay, version 7, I know the error I have to show now. I'll go to version 7.
Like right, you were clicking on some extra.
Okay, uploading. I'll go to version 7. Version 7 Word document is there.
And then the PDF is there.
Huh?
Yeah. You will upload to PDF. Only.
Yeah, but that PDF is the same thing as version 7. Okay, version 7. Version 7 is here. So version 7. This is the one.
Name also is yes.
Yeah, name is
that.
Yeah. So I actually he object the Krishna image was there. The Krishna image has a low resolution. So that's why I removed the graphics.
Okay.
Low resolution graphics, he says print doesn't come out well.
Okay.
So I said remove the Krishna. That's why graphics removed.
Okay.
Okay. So now he says there's an error here. That is page 136.
Yeah, same. He's giving the same error.
Okay, let us go to page 136. Okay, page 136. He is saying what he's saying is you left too much of blank space.
Oh.
Okay, it can be one line problem or blank space.
Yeah.
You have to correct it.
Yeah.
So I'll go to MS Word.
Yeah.
MS Word, file open. Page 136. 136. Page number. Oh, okay, how do I go to 136?
You can click on that also. There's a table of content.
The back only, no?
Huh?
Guruji, you can press Ctrl G and give the page number.
Control G 136. It has come to that or something else.
No, usually, yeah, please scroll down usually.
135,
That is
136.
the page number 136.
So this document is a different document from compared to other one.
Oh, yeah.
Because I've already corrected
Yeah.
here. So basically, you people can experiment.
No,
Basically-
Guruji, this is something. Once what happens is Vijayji has given you a A4 format. So we have made it a A3 format. When you make A3 format, lot of things get each and every page you have to sit and literally format it.
No, although it is done here, why the error has vanished? Because already I have done that correction in this document.
That's what. So the errors are coming because of the margin or the or blank spaces, blank pages, hidden blank
That's all.
pages,
That's
all
all.
these things.
Blank
So
space.
in MS Word, all the setting has to be done and finally uploaded. That's all.
Yeah, that's all. Okay. So shall I go to the final version?
Yeah.
So there will be only this thing. The problem which I am getting is that one is once give one space or remove the blank space. That's the type of error I got.
And if the image is less resolution, then also.
Image resolution I have removed.
Sure.
There's a Krishna image which is less resolution we have removed.
Yeah.
Right. So now I'll go to final version to show you what is the final. This is all I removed all these page by page errors.
Mm.
So then it said your document is ready. You're ready for publishing. Okay, I'll go to.
Prabhuji, in formatting, we might want to make some changes also, like one shloka is getting cut between two pages.
Everything has to be done in MS Word.
Okay.
Once you do in MS Word and generate a PDF, this is ready. I'm saying.
No, when it flows over the pages, you may find that one shloka is getting cut between 2 pages and things like
Yeah,
that.
all those editings we have to do in MS Word.
Okay.
Once you do it, it's ready. I'm saying that simplicity is in the tool. I don't have to do it. Tool only gives error,
Okay.
right? So I'll just tell you. I complete this error I removed. Then what will happen next stage? I'll show you. The next stage, you go to pricing.
That's the one which you have fixed all the
No,
errors.
no.
Guruji.
No, this is the older version.
The Srimad Bhagavad Gita,
Yeah, I'm trying to see which one I have completed.
continue publishing.
Book content. This is completed. See, book information is completed. Content design is completed. He has gone to distribution and pricing.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to next step. That content, once you clear there, it will go to next step like this. Next step, he's asking me. Okay, he's saying that book with the book data. So where will he distribute? He will distribute in the domestic India. Number of pages 174. He says the production cost of this book is 174, 73 rupees, printing price. And direct sales, his sales cost 117 rupees.
When he says direct sales, this is some stores, is it?
No. Online. So online shipping charges, all those included.
Oh, that 73 is the raw production cost,
73 is print book material cost,
material cost.
and 174, 117 is the distribution cost,
Distribution cost, including the distribution cost.
including distribution cost.
Sure.
So then he says minimum recommended price is 85 rupees, 185 rupees.
Yeah.
So then you say whatever you putting this plus your margin,
Yeah.
let us say whatever royalty,
Yeah.
let us say you do 225.
Yeah.
So the difference becomes for author, for every book sold, he gives 75 rupees to Light Foundation.
So he said initially 70%. So 70% of what is he giving? He said no in the beginning. Author gets 70%. So this is not 70% of 225.
70% to 25 is how much? No. What he gives, margin he gets 70% he gives.
Oh, so after those 170 is deducted, and the rest is giving 70%.
75%. So he gives a 75 rupees loyalty. Every book sold, 75 rupees comes to Light Foundation. Okay. For other stores, the other guys who are anybody selling it, he'll get it, give 27 rupees. Okay. So then you give a book description, some description. What is this book description is what you give to show in the website, online store.
Yeah.
Okay. So then author's biography, brief about the author.
Yeah.
So then keyword, okay, wherever somebody wants to search a keyword, Bhagavad Gita keyword, like it's like a hashtag. Anybody wants to search Bhagavad Gita book, that they'll come to this book online. Then category is what you have to choose. Okay. Young adults, poetry, cooking, others. Others, non-classifiable, or you can, we'll say non-classifiable, something like that. Okay. Okay. So then you say 7 days it takes to, they will review the book. 7 days, somebody manually reviews the book there to see everything is okay. So then, terms and conditions acceptable. Then you give a click. Done. It will go for a review. 7 days they will come back with the review, and after the 7th day, if their review is fine, it will go to publishing. So, is the steps clear for everybody?
Yeah.
Can you explain the pricing? Is it per book means is it printed or it's only online only, the digital only?
This is actually the technology nowadays. On-demand printing.
Oh, okay.
So suppose I order this book, right?
Okay.
Somebody 1,000 copies had to be printed and kept stock before distribution.
Correct.
Now, the moment the order comes, one book will be printed and distributed.
Okay, that's how. Okay. They are not keeping inventory, zero, just in time.
Zero inventory. It's just in time.
Yes.
Okay. So
very good.
And also it's very transparent. The moment you sell, some money will be royalty will be coming to you. There's no hidden costs.
The pricing they have suggested based on the printing cost and other things.
So price printing cost is 75 rupees for him.
Yeah.
Distribution cost, margin, all those things he has put. Then he says, with this, if you are, I'll give you about this much money, royalty, author.
Cost plus model. Okay.
Now the question is, for a Bhagavad Gita book of, let's say, 175 pages of this type, okay, is the 200 rupees high? Right? If you want to lower, we have to go to traditional printing, then we say headache for us. It's 200 rupees, I'll say, take it. Now, those who want to buy Bhagavad Gita book PDF form, I'll give you free. Those who want to buy, go and pay 200 rupees. Light Asset Foundation get some 75 rupees, 50 rupees royalty. Is that a fair approach?
Yeah, correct. But 185 is there, no? 185 plus, you are going to give 185 plus.
Yeah, 185 plus, I have added, I made it 225 rupees.
Correct. That means the 40 rupees you are getting. 40 rupees.
I'm getting 75 rupees actually. He is giving some margin. He has some margin already embedded in that distribution cost.
Oh, okay. Suppose if you sell it at the 200, still you will get some.
Oh yeah. You want to show the difference? How it works?
Yeah. Better just.
I'll go back.
Copyright belongs to author.
Yes. See here. Can you? I have to share.
Maybe Vaniji or Purnimaji may know this better. In the case of derivative work like Bhagavad Gita, do they even offer the copyright?
What?
For example, Bhagavad Gita kind of material.
Yes.
Now, instead of 225, I'll make it, let's say, 200 rupees. Retail price 200 rupees. Then he says, author on notionpress store. Oh, no, I don't know whether the author earnings.
No, correct, Guruji. Author earnings, if at all you were to go with notionpress, 60 rupees is what you will get.
Let's say I sell it 186 rupees. So notionpress store, from notionpress store will give me 53 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay, from other stores, it's 14.95.
Notionpress, Guruji, they also have an online store.
Yeah.
If he sells via.
So here 170, what he has said, no, Guru Ananda, he has included the margins also.
Hello, now, okay. 185. Suppose you make it 150, I mean, what exactly? I want to know when is the break even basically?
150. 150 will not accept.
Not accepted. Oh, okay. Greater than the 185. 185 are equal to?
185 or minimum. So if I say 185, you say 50 rupees, you will get it from us.
Oh, I can't reduce. If I say I want to get only 25 rupees, you can't do that. It's like there's a minimal criteria has come.
For him, he says 170 rupees is my cost, my market.
Correct. Okay, he has to meet. After that, he has put 117 is fine. Now let's between 117 to 185. What is the difference? I mean, what exactly? Where is that amount is going?
No, there's some taxes. I think. No, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
There must be some taxes.
Okay.
See, basically his production cost is 73 rupees.
73, correct. Number of pages.
70 because he has to add margins, right? 73 to 100. How much?
He's already added the 27 plus 44 rupees he has added.
Okay. And then recommended price is 185.
Oh, he's already recommended. Okay.
Okay. In that recommended price, he says, I'll give you 50 rupees and I'll keep some money.
Correct.
So, okay. Shall I close this?
Yeah.
So this is how it works. Vaniji, any questions?
One is that you said, Prabhuji, copyright belongs to author.
Copyright belongs to author.
What about visibility, Prabhuji?
No, there, see, it's like Amazon, it's visible in Amazon. It's Amazon in India, it is visible. Flipkart, it's visible. And then notionpress is visible. Anybody can order through online bookstore.
My elder daughter has some experience in publishing.
Okay.
So I was just talking to her about this thing. So she said, including Kindle here everywhere, if we don't pay for the promotions, then they make it very difficult to find.
No, see, for us, it gets listed in Bhagavad Gita store.
It will be right at the bottom, or sometimes even if you
Doesn't
type in
matter.
the name, it
We're
doesn't
just
show up.
saying,
She said.
if you pay 25,000 rupees,
Huh.
we'll make it appear as number 1 in Amazon. Okay, for 1 month. That means promotion. We'll not bother promotion now. Who are our users? Yeah, you can stop recording, I think.